You're taking a live look now from our Rivermark Community Credit Union camera as we take a look outside there. It is wet out there. Yeah. It is a first alert weather day. We're keeping a close eye on the forecast.
You know, I think that what makes this maybe a little different is just the timing that it's happening at the darkest time of the year. I mean, it's just, it's a 1-2 punch. I think your microphone needs to be turned on there, Mark, but while you're doing that, Nora, I think that you would back me up there.
Well, it makes it especially, hard to deal with when it's super wet all day. It's also dark halfway through the day.
Are you getting that from people with like when is it going to stop, that kind of thing?
No, I think that'll be in a few days.
Okay.
Some people are liking the warmth that's coming with it. We could be pretty chilly this time of year.
That is true, yes.
So some people do like that. We might get through this and not have major issues. That is a possibility because, our reservoirs are low. By the way, I haven't even talked about the Willamette River this last hour or this hour. It's not going to flood because all the reservoirs are near empty for their winter flood control. They keep them very low, so that's good. And there is a flood watch out for this whole area, everybody west of the Cascades. That doesn't mean everybody's going to get flooding. It's possible many of us just living our normal lives in suburbia just notice some water on the roads tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, and that's it. But there will be some issues. You can see on the radar the last 2 hours it's really backed off. Salem, you're mainly dry now, but looks like a fresh wave of rain is incoming here. And the mountains keep capturing the rain even when we don't get it here in the valleys. That's just the way these atmospheric rivers or Pineapple Expresses work. So you see tomorrow morning the heavier rain is from the metro area southward. It's backed off up at Kelso and Longview. That's good. This is 3 p.m. tomorrow. It's still raining. Heaviest stuff in the mountains, right? This is tomorrow night, 10 p.m. It's starting to break up a little bit. But notice it's still heavy in the mountains. This is where we have flooding rivers, and this is where you get landslides and mudslides. Then, here's a little bit of a change compared to 24 hours ago. We were thinking it would linger over us more Wednesday morning. Models now think it's more to the north, and this could give us just scattered showers on Wednesday. And if so, that would really reduce the flood risk as we go through Wednesday. Maybe the leftovers of this front comes through on Thursday. But total rain forecast. You can see it looks like the heaviest stuff is tonight, 1 a.m., 4 a.m. These are 3-hour totals, half an inch or so. The problem isn't any 1 hour. These are not that heavy of totals, you notice. But if this goes on for many hours, that's when we tend to get some flooding. When we had that flooding on the max, I think it was in 2015, I think we had about, in just 3 hours, we had about an inch or so of rain. So that's when you get the really heavy stuff, which makes me think we could avoid a lot of big flooding issues, maybe 2 to 3 inches between now and by the time it's really done Wednesday morning with just scattered showers. So for the rest of tomorrow, for all of tomorrow, we've got just rain throughout the day. South wind picks up later in the day. It's a pretty calm day until 4 or 5 p.m. Then the south wind arrives, it warms up. Very warm tomorrow night in the 50s. Remember, our average high this time of the year is like 47 degrees. We're not even going to get down to that till maybe Thursday night. Notice beyond this, a few light showers Wednesday, Thursday, likely dry Friday, some evening rain Saturday. Next time we might see a bunch of rain is probably the middle of next week, but this warm stuff is going to continue. We'll take a close look at the flood warnings coming up in the next segment at the bottom half of the hour.